Whether you're tailgating, camping, road tripping, or grilling on a small balcony, a good portable grill makes all the difference. In 2026, portable grills are more powerful, more compact, and more efficient than ever. From quick start propane systems to classic charcoal flavor, these are the best portable grills that deliver real performance on the go. The Weber Q1200 is built for consistent, reliable propane grilling in a compact format. It features a single stainless steel burner capable of delivering steady, even heat across its porcelain enameled cast iron grates. Those grates retain heat well, creating proper sear marks while distributing temperature evenly across the surface. With around 189 square inches of cooking space, it comfortably handles multiple burgers, steaks, or vegetables without feeling cramped. What makes the Q1200 stand out is its thoughtful design. It includes push-button electronic ignition for easy startup, an integrated lid thermometer for monitoring internal heat, and fold-out side tables for prep space. The aluminum body helps with heat retention while keeping weight manageable. It runs on small propane canisters, but can also connect to larger tanks with an adapter. If you want gas-powered convenience without sacrificing build quality, this grill feels premium and dependable. The Hitchfire Forge 15 is designed specifically for mobility and outdoor lifestyle use. It mounts directly onto a standard 2-inch vehicle hitch receiver, making it incredibly convenient for tailgates, overlanding trips, and campsite cooking. The mounting system keeps the grill stable and elevated, eliminating the need for separate tables or stands. It uses propane fuel for quick ignition and consistent flame control. The cooking surface provides enough space for several burgers or steaks, and the heat distribution is strong enough for proper searing. Its steel construction is rugged and designed to handle outdoor exposure. Cleanup is straightforward thanks to removable grease trays. The biggest advantage is its integration with your vehicle. You can cook directly from the back of your truck or SUV. For frequent travelers who grill often, this setup feels purpose-built and highly practical. The Cuisinart Petit Gourmet is compact, lightweight, and easy to transport, making it ideal for balconies, small patios, and camping trips. Despite its small footprint, it offers a surprisingly efficient burner system that heats quickly and maintains consistent cooking temperatures. The cooking grate provides enough room for small family meals while keeping overall size manageable. Its folding legs make setup simple and allow it to convert from a tabletop grill to a freestanding unit. The lid locks securely for transport, and the design prioritizes ease of storage. It runs on propane for quick startup and minimal hassle. For anyone who wants a no-complication portable grill that performs reliably for casual cooking, this is a straightforward and effective option. The Weber Smokey. Joe Premium keeps traditional charcoal grilling alive in a compact format. It features a porcelain enameled lid and bowl that help retain heat efficiently while resisting rust and wear. The 14-inch cooking grate offers enough space for small gatherings, and the charcoal system delivers authentic smoky flavor that gas grills can't replicate. The ventilation system allows you to control airflow, which directly influences cooking temperature. The locking lid and lightweight design make it easy to carry to parks or campsites. Unlike propane grills, it requires more prep and cleanup, but the flavor payoff is significant. If you value that classic charcoal taste and enjoy hands-on grilling, the Smokey Joe offers reliable performance in a small package. The GoBQ charcoal grill is one of the most portable charcoal options available. Its collapsible design uses a fabric-based exterior with a heat-resistant inner structure, allowing it to fold down into an extremely compact carrying case. When assembled, it still provides genuine charcoal grilling capability with solid heat retention. It's surprisingly lightweight and easy to transport for beach outings, hiking trips, or tight storage situations. While the cooking surface is smaller than traditional metal grills, it's enough for small batches of food. Setup is quick, and once charcoal is lit, it performs similarly to larger portable charcoal units. If ultralight portability is your priority and you still want real charcoal flavor, this grill offers a unique and practical solution. A portable grill isn't just about size, it's about freedom. Whether you want instant propane convenience, rugged vehicle-mounted cooking, or authentic charcoal flavor, the right grill makes every outdoor meal better. So before your next trip, ask yourself, are you packing light or packing flavor?